Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a Nigerian coconut chinchin. So if you want to see how I made this coconut chinchin, definitely keep on watching. So here are the ingredients I'll be using to make this coconut chinchin. 600 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of margarine, 2 tablespoonfuls of milk, 1 tablespoonful of baking powder, a pinch of salt, nutmeg, 1 egg, and my coconuts. Yeah, and also I so much love this measuring jar. It has flour. Can you see that? It has flour measurements. It has sugar measurements. It has liquid measurements, all figured out. With this cup, you can measure anything you want. You can get any grams you want. I love this cup. I love this jar. Okay, the first thing I will do is to get my already peeled and washed coconut and grate. When you're done grating, take out some part of the grated coconut and dry on fire. Keep stirring it until the coconut is properly dry. This is what they call desiccated coconuts. Alright, we can now bring our desiccated coconut down. Pour a lukewarm water to the other coconut and extract the milk. So here is the extracted milk from the coconut. Put this one aside. Okay, now in a mixing bowl, we are going to gently sieve all the dry ingredients in the bowl. Baking powder, the salt, nutmeg, sugar, after sieving, we mix the ingredients properly. Add the margarine. And rub it in together. Keep rubbing until it's well mixed. When it is well mixed, add your desiccated coconuts. Mix properly. You can add oil if you want, but I didn't. At this point, add your egg. Mix very well. Still mix with your fingertips. At this point, get your extracted coconut milk and add your milk into it. Pour gradually into the mixture. I will not be adding all the milk at the same time. I will continue to knead until I achieve a non-sticky dough. Here we go. No longer sticky. I can set this aside. Now I divided my dough into two and I flour my surface in order for my dough not to stick to the surface, and I will roll. Okay, at this point with my pizza cutter, I'm going to cut the dough into shapes. Here comes the first batch. We then proceed to fry. Now pour 1 liter of oil into a deep pot or a frying pan. Allow to heat on medium heat up to 3 to 4 minutes. At this point, I'll have to add 1 dough to check my oil. I can at this point add my chinchin. I will give it a quick stir until they are off the frying pan so that they will not get burnt. Once the chinchin turns golden brown, you can take them out of the oil. Transfer them into a paper towel or a sieve. So here is our fried coconut chinchin. Allow the chinchin to cool down before packaging them. You can serve your chinchin with a glass of your desired juice. Thank you so much for watching. Learned how to make a delicious coconut chinchin. So get into the market, get your ingredients, and start work immediately. I bet you will do great. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell after subscription. I remain Loveth Onyani. Stay cool, stay healthy, and stay safe till I come your way next time. Bye.